12th class chapter of Political Science, Challenges of Nation Building. Students, in this chapter, in the previous video, you have come to know that when we got independence, at that time, there were many challenges in front of us. We have discussed about that. First was that unity of the country, second was establishment of the democracy, and third one was homogeneous unity, homogeneous development. So today our topic is integration of princely states. At the time of British rule in India, there were many princely states which was ruled by the British and the Nizam. But with the independence, British declared them also independent. आज़ादी के साथ ही ब्रिटिश ने इनको भी आज़ाद डिक्लेयर कर दिया. There were 565 princely states at that time. So when we got independence, the question arises that princely states will be, how princely states will be emerged in India, because these were independent and they were going to handle by the Nizam. So Muslim League has given the three options to them. First was whether to join Indian Union. Second option was to join Pakistan. Or third option was given to remain free. So these three options were given to the princely states कि या तो वो भारत में इमर्ज रहें, भारत को ज्वाइन कर लें, या पाकिस्तान में इमर्ज रहें, या फिर वो अपने इंडिपेंडेंट रहे, फ्री रहकर अपना डेवलपमेंट करें. पर इसके साथ जो है इंडिया में ये महसूस किया गया कि अगर प्रिंसली स्टेट्स को इमर्ज नहीं हुए तो हमारा देश जो क्या है छोटे छोटे साइज में बढ़ जाएगा. ऑलरेडी वी वर इन फैक्ट दैट we have many languages, so much population, problem of rehabilitation, problem of refugees also. So it was the thing of the worldness, what will we do by the princely states. So in this, regarding this, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a great role in that. He persuaded the princely states to join Indian Union and was successfully to achieve this. इसमें सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने बहुत बड़ा रोल निभाया था. उसने सब प्रिंसली स्टेट्स के निजाम से मिलकर उनको परसुएड किया और इंडियन यूनियन को ज्वाइन करने के लिए कहा. और इसमें वो काफी हद तक उन्होंने सफलता भी पाई. विद नेगोशिएशन सम डिप्लोमेटिक मेजर्स आल्सो ही अडॉप्टेड, बट सम प्रिंसली स्टेट्स डिनाइड टू ज्वाइन एनी in neither in India, neither in Pakistan. They were Hyderabad, Manipur, Jammu and Kashmir and Junagadh. These princely states refused to do that. But after some time, in 1948, Sardar Patel has also persuaded them with the negotiation and with his efforts. So in this way, princely states were emerged into the Indian Union and the problem of the integration of princely states was solved. Thank you. Have a nice day.